So, Lupin Limited Mandideep Bhopal is conducting walk-in interviews for experienced candidates and freshers also. Here you can see for the department production, quality control, quality assurance, production, FML and maintenance API. So, coming to the date of walk-in interviews, these are going to be held from 15th to 19th of this month and at Lupin Limited Mandideep. So, 198 202 New Industrial Area number 2 Mandideep. Timings are 10:30 to 3 p.m. So you need to enter the company by 10 a.m. So the department wise vacancies for production freshers and experience B.Sc, M.Sc or diploma chemical for QA and QC, API and FML, M.Sc or B.Pharm for production, FML engineering, B.Pharma diploma in pharmacy for maintenance. 5 open positions diploma mechanical freshers or experience, 2 open positions BE mechanical. So shortlisted candidates with photocopy of all will be given an immediate offer. So please carry all the documents which are mentioned here on the screen: updated CV, recent photograph, academic certificates, salary slips of current employer, relieving letters, etc. So coming to the next vacancy, Alkem. So these are opening for freshers from the good company for formulation manufacturing facility based at Daman. So the department wise vacancies: quality assurance, M.Pharm or B.Pharm, quality control, M.Sc or B.Pharm, production, B.Pharm or diploma, engineering, BE or ITA, warehouse, B.Sc or D.Pharm. They are hiring apprentice, freshers, strong subject knowledge, understanding of pharmaceutical industry, regulatory knowledge of US FDA or MHRA, good written and spoken English. Documents required: copy of resume, latest copies of results, passport size photograph, copy of Aadhaar and PAN. The venue is Alkem Laboratories Limited, Mahatma Gandhi, Udyog Nagar, Amalia, Daman. So let us move on to the next department, which is Optimus Drugs Private Limited, Unit 3, walk-in interview. So quality assurance, B.Sc or M.Sc with chemistry, 2 to 5 years. Production, B.Sc or M.Sc with chemistry and diploma or B.Tech, 0 to 6 years of experience. Work location, Optimus Drugs Private Limited, Ramlingapal near Kasra Village, Hyderabad, and company will provide transportation facility and free canteen. So immediate joiners will be preferred, working in shifts. So you need to at call between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. only. Interview timings 9 to 12 hours. Interested candidate, you carry relevant documents and attend the interview. So the work location, the interview venue is also mentioned here: Optimus Drugs Private Limited, Unit 3, survey number 147, Ramalangapalli. So let us move on to the next company. My dear friend, the next company is Divis. So they are hiring for a trainee helper and trainee supervisor. So here you can see SSC inter or ITI fitter. Stipend is 15,000 per month. For B.Sc 21 to 25 years of age, 18,000 per month. B.Pharma 21 to 25 years of age, 20,000 per month. For M.Sc 21 to 25 years, 22,000 per month. For M.Pharm 21 to 25 years, 24,000 per month. So these are the details, and the date of walk-in interviews are mentioned here on the screen. So please check them thoroughly. Different interview venues, date wise provided here. Interview timings 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Strictly follow COVID rules: no mask, no entry. So no, COVID is not there, but as the company is recommending, so please follow them. Thank you.